Yeah. You already know what time it is. Hey.
You be my blood, you be my blood, you be my blood.
Yeah, kia ora te whanau te iwi me ngā tō hoki. We're back at again with another Shaded vlog, Shaded adventure, chasing Kaupapa, baby, and we're here in Waitangi. Yes, sir. Certified, baby. We just got our media passes and we're here in Waitangi, standing with our Kaitiaki of Aotearoa. So I'm here to showcase that, also all the beautiful atua that we have out there, gifted atua. So yeah, man, yeah, come and join in on this Whakaahua Chasing Kaupapa in Waitangi. Hara mai, hara mai. Get your whakaaro out to tiriti.
Oh, that's a hard one. I'm logistics. Cameras making me nervous.
Well, there was people out there that weren't more here on, you know what I mean? Something that they could learn.
Okay, for someone that doesn't know.
Aye.
Okay, well, Te Ra Tua was signed 1840. But most of us here, ngā te kaua ngā te rahi, celebrate he whakamitanga or recognise that more so, which was signed 5 years before Te Ra Tua, 1835. And that agreement was, yes, Pākehā can come live with us, but the Māori are the owners of the land. And at that point is governance. Yeah. And so over time it shifted. So Te Ra Tua came about 1840. The Māori the Māori treaty for us means that same, that Pākehā can live with us, but we still own the land, and
we are Kaitiaki.
And we are the Kaitiaki of the whenua. And then the translation sort of speaks about co-governance. Yeah. But is it like that? No. Hence why you have a lot of the hekoi, you have a lot of the activists, and that's what some people call them, but they're actually the advocates for what it should look like. Is it a balanced relationship? Absolutely not. Absolutely not. And this is why we're all here.
That's why we're all here, whānau. And there's so many beautiful atua here. Kia ora.
Yeah, it's pretty shocking. I'm logistics, and our experts that are out there in those spaces. Go ask me.
And that's what we're going to do, whānau. So let's go. Get the kōrero out there. Kia ora. Hey, certified now, double certified. She said that she turned down a lot of people today, but there's something special. I think it's just because we all hono to all the whānau, you know. It's not about the ego here. Whānau, my Shaded Atua, we're all here about feeding the Wairua and not the ego. Oh, there's the kazi tihei. Like you see. Let's go see what the kazi tihei is about. Yeah.
Well, it's good to be back on the home ground, hometown, as you ought to know. Cause when you come from up here, you ought to show just your allegiance and alliance. It's not a defiance. That's like a jack in the beast store, but who's the giant? And is it more than a client with all skeptical? That's why we're here, cause today is not incredible. It's so authentical to everyone will never bail. I got my cousin from Bihi already Israel. So if you gotta learn, then I just gotta see it. I got the cameraman over here and he's here to believe it. We achieve it, cause we lead it and we never lose it. Every sometimes cause haters mad, make up excuses. That's why we here to cheer and for the under. It makes you wonder why today, where's the summer at? Is it still thunder in the sky, then I multiply? That's more hard when I'm down cause I'm thinking high.
Yeah, and it's the kaziti, it's whakaaro. Let's give him a koha, whānau, koha, whānau. Gotta always respect the locals, baby. Kia ora my kaziti, hey. Kia ora my cuz. Hey, we're here on Waitangi, right?
Yeah.
I just want to know from a beautiful atua like yourself, a beautiful gifted atua like yourself, if there was something to share to those rangatahi out there that aren't quite mōhio about what we're doing here. What's your whakaaro on it? Just something to share for our rangatahi.
Just embrace your identity, never fear it. Just hear yourself and never run away from it. Just, you look around, the differences that people have, especially our rangatahi, could be with certain other rangatahi that they aren't able to get along with. It's because of their pride, their honour and their dignity to not make peace with people. But come here, man, you look at us. The people you dislike are the same people as you.
Just like you.
Yeah, and what's the point of fear?
Aye.
And I say this to all of our rangatahi out there. It's better to be known to not fear than fear the unknown.
Aye. Oh, quick whakatauki from the brother thier. I love that one. And then he's got a lot of whakatauki, so make sure that you listen to his music. He's got a lot of albums out there, man. So, you know, I've got a few myself, so you got to support the brother. Anytime you see him, you always see him in local areas because he's always among our people all the time. So he's a true entity of a real rangatahi right here, man.
Mami.
Kia ora whanau.
What up, Waitangi? It's good to be back out.
Play, brother, we cover more ground with the relay. Motown, Auto, or KTA. We ain't only giving something you can groove with. Pumping out the new ish, lucid. High state of mind, spitting true fits. Hard to be elusive, hard to reach, keeping it exclusive. Yeah, I love to fall off, yeah, it's keeping me strong. Yeah, I love to fall off, like taking me home. Yeah, I love to fall
I just
off,
bumped
like
into this beautiful atua here. Ricky, if you just want to share your whakaaro or you just were sharing with us, that's beautiful kōrero there.
Oh yeah, I'll just saying that for us, Waitangi Day is an everyday thing. It's not just about turning up one day of the year, although we get it's about being proud to be Māori, but it's about turning up every day for your whanau, like 365 days, whether that's for your whanau, your household or your marae.
Aye.
It's about living and breathing kaupapa Māori,
Kia ora.
and just, I suppose, protecting everything that's beautiful about being Māori.
Aye,
Yeah.
implementing it,
Yeah.
living it, being
Yeah,
it.
living it.
Yeah,
Yeah,
living
day to
it.
day.
Day to day.
Yeah.
Beautiful, beautiful whakatauki from our brother here, Ricky. Beautiful atua, you keep being the beautiful atua there, my man. And kia ora Mauri Ora, whanau.
Non-existent and numb, anesthetics kicked in. I want to sleep in. Are you a victim of creation? I'm fighting for the smallest sliver of hope, suffocated in the shadows, finding my air to breathe, to release.
Oh, kia ora te whanau. I just met this beautiful atua here, Steve. He was just sharing a bit of kōrero about his times here in the past, how it used to be and all that, and how it's kind of different now, eh? It's kind of changed now. What's your whakaaro on te tiriti, matua?
I don't like the way the Europeans are manipulating the te tiriti. They're taking abstracts out of it and putting it into their own whakaaro,
Yeah.
and it's not right. Leave it alone. Leave
Yeah,
it the
that-
way it was meant to be.
Tēnā koe, matua. What do you reckon is the change that we should be doing?
We should be all sticking together and get our land back and foremost. And the reign of terror has been going on too long, and we've had enough.
Yeah, we have, matua. It's time to unite together and show that we can
We
actually...
need change.
We need change. We've got to keep on staying strong and keeping their mana and their mauri alive, eh, matua? Don't let it defeat us, and don't let them dictate us, eh, matua? They don't dictate us. We hold the mana. We're mana whenua. We're Kaitiaki o the whenua.
That's the one.
Mai matua. Mauri Ora.
Mauri Ora.
Oh, my Shaded Atua, we're just having a quick kōrero. I just want to let you know, give you a bit of an update. If, some changes happening up on pages, man. It's Shaded Whakaahua, that's our kaupapa driven stuff, and Shaded Adventures is our chasing waterfall. So chasing kaupapa is Shaded Whakaahua, and Shaded Adventures is our chasing waterfalls and stuff like that. But yeah, I'm not limiting myself for the fortnightly vlogs anymore, my Shaded Atua. We're just going to be doing posting whenever, and chasing that kaupapa for real. We're on this Te Reo journey also, the hiding of Te Ao Māori. So if you see my hair just going crazy, it's because I'm also growing it out as well, because that's just part of what I want to do. And do whatever I want to do because I just move in love, you know, whanau, hey. So yeah, that's what we're doing anyway. You see everything moving, you see this beautiful day here, we're just going to have a look over there. Kids are going crazy right here, man.
Oh, I'm so scared!
He's going crazy, man. But yeah, I'll let you. Oh, there's Uncle Phil. Uncle Phil. Good Uncle. Yeah. I'll tell you what, whanau, you might not see much photos from today, but from apopo onwards,
It's on.
it's on. Better than that. Kia ora te whanau. This is a beautiful Mareikura Rhonda. She's just sharing some kōrero about these waka here, these beautiful waka. She's involved in some of that
Yeah.
so
So the brown one is Te Mahurangi
Te Mahurangi.
and the black. And they both belong to Matua Hone Mihaka
Mihaka.
and Tai Mai Tours. I belong to Whakaoranga Whānau Recovery Hub, which is a charitable trust in Kaikohe that helps people struggling with mental health and addictions.
Oh, beautiful whanau.
And we've done a joint venture with Matua Hone, so we are his kahoi for the waka, and we service the cruise ships that come in.
Oh,
So
beautiful.
yeah, so our whaiora who are in recovery get to be the kaihotu and the steerers for the waka.
And it's something that makes them
And we take the tourists out, and they get to
replenish their wairua.
Yeah. So the waka for us is a real wairua program.
Aye.
And because we believe, because we're a Kaupapa Mauri service,
Kia ora.
that connecting people to their culture and using all the taonga of our culture is what heals us.
Aye,
You know, and
beautiful.
that's true. So,
Oh.
so to come on the waka, you got to be drug free.
Yeah.
You got to be, tika and pono. You got to
Yeah.
be coming up through the
Pure.
ranks as a tuakana.
Yeah.
But it helps our whānau. And so my tāne over there with the blue hat on,
Oh,
he's our kaihotu, and he will share his testimony, which is a testimony of jail, gangs,
Kia ora.
all that sort of stuff, and he just shares how this is helping him get on the right path.
Beautiful.
And the tourists love it, because we like to be transparent, because some of them have got the old bling bling on.
Yep.
And, they say, oh, what's that for? Oh, it's a GPS.
It's the
Not for the waka, for the tāne.
Oh, it's the G-Shock.
Yeah. So,
Oh,
but we're
sure.
really honoured and privileged that Matua Hone and Fire Duty, let us come on the waka.
Oh.
And and it's just a real healing thing, eh? Real
Oh,
healing. And then
beautiful.
he put out the whittle. Had we ever done Waitangi Day? And none of us have ever paddled Waitangi Day.
So what a privilege.
Yeah,
Kia
honour
ora.
and a privilege, man. Yeah.
And
So-
even for the rangatahi, it's
Yeah.
just something that they're
Yeah.
pretty
Yeah.
low. Whai's
So-
are doing awesome mahi
Yeah,
for
so
the
we've got our
rangatahi.
whānau, and most of them are in recovery. Some of them are actually kaimahi now. And that's my daughter coming along. So I've got my daughter, my niece,
Oh,
my
cool.
daughter-in-law, my son. He's got his son and two brothers on the waka. So
Oh,
it's
that's
a
all the
real
whānau over there.
Real whānau thing.
Yeah, and they're helping other whānau
Yeah.
revitalise their mauri too, by
Yeah.
doing the same thing.
Yeah.
Oh, beautiful whai
Yeah.
ronda.
We've got a lot of whānau that are recovering from meth addiction.
Yeah,
And
no, as a lot of
yeah,
whānau,
yeah.
that's a beautiful movement for them.
Yeah.
Start knowing who
Yeah.
you are,
Yeah.
and that's what's beautiful
Yeah.
about this.
Yeah.
You start seeing all the beautiful
Yeah.
people that, all the
Yeah.
artistic, the creative,
Yeah,
the beautiful,
yeah,
gifted.
yeah. And it's
whai.
also like, to come out on the waka, because it's a wairua thing, you got to be right.
Yeah.
Your wairua
You
has
gotta
got to
be
be right.
pono.
So
Aye.
you've got to be, you can't be a hypocrite.
Aye.
You can't be doing something bad and then jumping on the waka and thinking you're going to get away with
Aye.
it. Because the waka convicts you.
Yeah.
It's a real wairua thing.
You go, oh yeah, let's go, and then your podium side and all that, and then you might go onto the huia, ya tokiri, and then oh no, the waka might tip you over whānau, so
That's
just
what
be pono,
That's what our matua said when we got out there today, and it was a bit hard. And then we got up the river and he was like, oh, ko wari we forgot to do our karakia, that's why we couldn't get over there.
Yeah, but see, whanau, it's a good practice to do, whanau. Even karakia, some people don't even do that, but that's a good thing to do, you know. It's whakapono, like you get the confirmations, you might get the tohu from the manu, they might give, you know, the cicadas here, you might be hearing the hui, what going on, but when you, like Whaia Ronda was saying, when you whakapono, the wind drops, or the manu wave, you know, they all do their things, but when you whakapono, you're so in tune that you're aware of that. You're not, that's what Whaia Ronda's trying to say, that she does kaupapa with these rangatahi, they get them so in tune that they're not getting distracted by all this other systematical stuff, so to speak. Is that right, Whaia? Yeah, so you can really move as an atua, as a true self, because that's what we are, whanau. We're atua, we're born to create, born to manifest, so you know the kaupapa, keep feeding your wairua, not your ego. Hey. Yo, so yep, that's Te Ra Tua Toru. We came here yesterday, we collected our passes, met some beautiful people here while they were setting up. Today we came in and saw heaps more beautiful atua, beautiful gifted atua, all those beautiful people who shed their whakaaro, like Matua Ricky, like what he said. It's not a day thing. You gotta live and breathe it, baby. It's a lifestyle, you feel me? So that was the whakatauki from Matua Ricky, but there was a lot of good whakatauki out there, a lot of good jewels that were shared with a lot of the beautiful atua that were out here today, and we got more coming in hoki for Te Ra Tua Toru. So, you know, the kaupapa mo Shaded Atua, keep feeding your Wairua, not your ego, baby. Hey.